Hey guys, Pedro here. I'm at the Starbucks putting this video together for you. We had a great time. I run into three great people, Alejandro, Julie, and Apollo, and we're over at Fernan Lake once again, and we are catching loads of fish using the marshmallow and worm technique. It's a proven technique, and I'm going to prove it to you today. If today doesn't get you to believing, nothing will. You guys should try it at least at this lake if it doesn't work somewhere else for you. But we all catch loads of fish and we have a great time. I hope you enjoy. Stay to the end. It really helps me out. I really would appreciate it. Take care. Love you guys. Thank you.
It's a nice one. What's that?
They seem to be pretty fat.
Yeah.
We've got a little one, but he's pretty fat.
It's not huge, it's just 2-pound test line. That's why it's pull and drag.
Bigger than mine.
This one's probably not gonna make it, guys. Fish number 2 though. Remember I said I was in weeds a little bit, so once I felt where the weeds weren't anymore, I set it, and then right when I set my pole down, I seen it start. Yeah, it started hitting right away. I was like, oh shit, you know. Yeah. And got it. So there's some right up over there. Shots or?
Oh, I actually have this. Here's how I usually.
Oh no, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
It slides.
Yep, and that's the right size. I mean, that's as high as you want it. Let's just put a lighter hook on there.
Okay.
Well, let's see if a marshmallow will make that float. If a marshmallow can make that hook float.
Good.
Here, throw this on there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, you're good.
Shouldn't be too big for that.
Good.
Was that us or was that the fish? Oh, maybe it was the fish release.
Yeah, he's gonna die. But that sucker will get him.
Oh, that would be so awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my camera on it right now. Yeah, just set it there, see if it floats. Oh, that's good. You'll get it, bro. You're gonna kill it.
Appreciate you.
What? Hey, man, that osprey's gonna get that fish right there, bro.
That's gonna be awesome.
How's the average weight? He's gonna come back and get it. Watch.
Get it, babe.
Look, he's going. Bro, I got that so close.
That is oh, there it is. Look.
Oh, look.
It's your setup, my friend.
Did you do the marshmallow too?
You did. Yeah. We shared your sharing.
All right.
Sharing is caring.
Hey, you guys are stars of my show.
Heck yeah.
Oh, can you get it?
Motion of the hammer.
You got it.
Yeah, he just shot perfect.
Nice. All right. Check
Look at
that bad
guy.
boy out. Marshmallow and worm. What's your name, brother?
My name's Apollo.
Apollo.
Yeah.
The Creed Master got that bad boy. Oh, look at that.
Super cool.
Marshmallow and worm, guys.
All catch fish.
Yeah.
Same method.
Alejandro does it again. Alejandro. Alejandro.
Let's see. Can't get a good look. Oh Lord, why would you do that?
So you can feed him to the Osprey. He's right there waiting.
I think we're gonna have. Oh yeah, there's no way.
Multiple of them waiting.
But there it is.
Look at that. Alejandro got it
On
again.
the method.
That one's saying, give it to me. Give it to me.
We're gonna have to.
Ooh, I got dizzy doing that. Ooh. I spun a circle looking up, and it was just one turn.
Oh yeah, they know.
Do a water release. Oh, dang it. Oh, you're still
It's
on.
on there. I just lost it out of my hand. You needed some oxygen.
Oh, that's a nice one, brother.
Yeah.
That's pretty. Look at that.
Look at that guy. Yeah, I might take him home.
Nice.
Come on, come on. Let me get it right in there. I know, bud. I know. I know. I'm sorry.
Did you get it out?
My line. I just cut my line so the hook stuck. You want to do the underwater for
Oh,
your
for
video?
sure.
I'm gonna have to let it go and then see what happens.
Yeah, you might make it. And I dropped my camera.
No.
That'd be crazy, right?
Oh, you got a nice one, my friend.
Yeah,
You
that's a
called it,
beautiful
too.
one.
Yeah, he's so pretty.
Dang, that's a sexy fish right there, bro.
Hell yeah.
That's sick, dude. Heck yeah.
That's a good one. Nice. You got some good.
All right. You got good one.
Almost, babe.
Oh, look at him. Look at him.
That's a nice one, brother.
Hey, that's a bass, isn't it?
No, that's a trout. Oh, nice. She's a nice one.
That's a keeper.
Oh, soaked.
Don't do any more travel. Live here.
Oh, man.
You like it here?
We love it here. We actually fell in love with Oregon. We really like Oregon, especially the coast of
I'm gonna borrow
in
that thing
Newport, Waldport, Astoria, all those areas. We fell in love with it.
I like Oregon too.
It's way in there.
There you
I
go.
got it. Okay. Oh.
We're keeping that one, babe. You want to let it go? I'm cool letting it go. Is it gonna live?
Yeah, it
That's
looks
a
like
nice
he's
one.
gonna live, but that's
You
nice.
want-
That's
you want
no,
one?
no, I'm good.
Anybody want to fish? That's a nice one, babe.
Look at that.
That's beautiful.
You pose with that. That's your fish, bro.
I'll let you release, man. That was awesome. Thanks for your help.
Standing in the water again.
Oh, let's go for it.
Look at that. That thing's like
Oh.
a fish, a fish.
Oh, Jesus. If you look up right now,
Okay, I'm getting soaked.
Oh, look at all those.
I think that they will come eat it. Or unless you want to eat it. I don't know what to do with it, though.
We're just helping it. There we go. That's all I needed. I am so cold in my feet.
He's coming back.
Got one.
Hey.
Alright.
Nailed it.
Little sneaky devil. Woo.
Oh, this one's bleeding. You got it good.
Oh, don't get the pole up here. Crazy.
Look at that otter just chilling there, dude. Here he comes.
Oh, jump, dude. Did you see that?
Oh, dang.
Oh, doubled up, man.
All right, all right. We got a double, guys.
Maybe get the triple.
I'm trying.
We got a double. He's bringing in another one right now. Alejandro got another one. Check it out. The fishing's hot right now, guys.
Fernan Lake. Look at that. That's great.
Heck yeah.
Oh, you swallowed it, you jerk. I'm gonna try to use that little red
Oh,
tip
look
thingy.
at, look at. It's got cutthroat markings on it.
Okay.
Almost.
Hey.
That's pretty.
Let's put this in.
Here you go.
Hey guys, look at these markings on this one. Tell me. Is that a crossbreed? Rainbow and cutthroat maybe? Oh, stay still, baby. Look at that. Right in there. Leave a comment, let me know.
I'll try to do this. If you go the ones, you know how they
Yep.
do this? I've no. Oh wait, there, that did it. That did it. Oh,
There you go.
did I do it?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, you got it all out. That's perfect.
Where's the other?
No blood, nothing. Did you see that? That was awesome.
Ta-da!
That's the thing. What is that?
Oh, that's what it's designed for. You're supposed to do the. I've never actually
Follow it down the line.
follow
You
it?
just shoved it down in there.
And then the hooks. See how
Yup.
they trap and you push down and you come back up, but it's no longer getting caught on anything on
That
the
is
fish.
insane. That is beautiful. And it saved this fish's life.
It did, because I was in there.
There's another worm. I mean, another marsh tunnel. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Yep, I told you. So you said your kidney was hurting and stuff?
No, that's the spot that was hurting.
Oh. Oh, okay.
time to go, man. Hey, hit me up.
Hell
Hit me up
yeah.
on Messenger, whatever.
Subscribe on that thing. So
Yeah, and then if you guys want to fish again, man, hit me up. Thank you.
Yeah,
for
no,
this.
you're very welcome.
That thing's slick.
Yeah,
So she's talking about going to my mom's for a couple of weeks and doing so. I was like, man, we're gonna be a lot more than a couple of weeks.
It's kind of a big project.
Yeah. So hopefully we find one that's already got at least most of it done.
Yeah.
We found one in Spokane that's got we got one.
Oh.
The last fish of the day, guys. Look, while I'm getting ready to leave. Oh, jump. Dude. Oh no!
it's okay. It's okay. Did you have fun?
That was
It
awesome.
actually got off.
He was just probably barely hooked. Look, you got the bait still and everything.
I was like, please don't hit me in the
That is awesome. Look, it
Where
must-
the hell was he hooked at?
right here. Look, you can barely see it. Can I spin it?
Yeah,
That's
look
where
at
he
one
got
hook.
hooked.
One little
That
hook.
was cool. Dude, that was a good one, dude. It caught you.
I was like, don't hit my face. I don't care where you hit.
So much fun. Craziness.
They're hitting on this power bait. That's crazy. It was, what is it, Captain America?